You name it, THINBIT can do it. THINBIT offers inserts in grades and coatings to optimize cutting performance. Companion tool holders are available for all machine types and insert orientations. Face grooving inserts have major diameters starting at 300 thousandths of an inch. Inserts are offset to the left or right side to work against shoulders without interference with the tool holder. 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90-degree tool holders are available. Options include sharp corner, corner radius, dovetail grooving, and full radius inserts. Our engineers have decades of experience and are highly successful at designing solutions for difficult operations. Our custom inserts and tool holders are designed to your specifications to improve cycle time, produce complex geometry, and simplify programming. Specials have fast delivery and low minimum order quantity. Form tools generate an entire groove form in a single plunge. Form tools can be made by combining individual inserts or from a solid block of carbide. Geometry can consist of grooves, arcs, angles, convex and concave radii. Tooling is available for both internal and external grooving. Form tools decrease cycle time, simplify programming, and reduce turret positions required. THINBIT, made in the USA. Damn right. For more information, contact us.